Welcome to the closing session called Beyond the CK12 Certified Educator Program. Once again, I'm Carl, a member of the CK12 team. Here in part one, I'll help you bring it all together and set some goals for the future. Many of you have spent up to 2 weeks learning all about the CK12 platform. You started with an on-demand session. Then we went live and you completed at least 5 live sessions. Some of you attended all the sessions. That's great. In addition, we offered LMS sessions and also informative case study sessions where you heard from some of our great users. You can watch archived versions of any of these on our YouTube channel. Now you're steps away to becoming a CK12 certified educator. Congratulations. Once you've become CK12 certified, you'll be faced with the most important step yet. Now you have to figure out what to do with all this new knowledge. And this step is all up to you. For some of you, you might have already figured this out, but I would imagine that many of you are still processing everything you've learned. It takes time to let it all percolate into your brain. So we've created a tool to help you maximize everything you've learned in the past couple of weeks. It will help you create a plan to implement the new knowledge. This worksheet will help you set goals for using CK12. It's broken up into setting platform goals and then teaching strategy goals. Finally, you will establish what you're going to complete during the first month, the first 3 months, and finally during the year. In the platform section, you will choose when you'll be using each of the following parts of the platform. For each, you'll indicate what you'll do in the first month, the first 3 months, and the first year, or if you don't think you'll be using that part of the platform. So let's go through each one. The first is use CK12 Flexbooks 2.0 without customization. Then use CK12 2.0 with customization. Create a Flexbook 2.0 or convert one from original Flexbook to 2.0. Assign specific lessons/practices from a Flexbook 2.0. Swap a practice for a quiz or add inline questions in a Flexbook 2.0 lesson. Use our Plix interactives, our simulations, and our real-world applications. In the teaching strategies goal section, you will choose different teaching strategies to implement CK12. Once again, you'll decide when you think you'll get started with that specific strategy. We only are offering a small list of the strategies here that we've spoken about through the program. Feel free to add any others that you'd like to use. So let's go through these. Offer links to the CK12 Flexbook 2.0 start page or the concept pages. Use adaptive practice as homework. Create differentiated classes on CK12 or within an integrated LMS. Use Plix interactives and sims during class. Use Plix interactives or sims open questions. And finally, use CK12 highlighting and annotation. On the back side of the worksheet, you'll have the opportunity to summarize your goals for the next year. So based on your answers from the front side, come up with a few sentences identifying what are your personal goals for the first month. This is your getting started goals. This is important because often we get back to school and immediately we are overwhelmed. What we learned over the summer can become a distant memory, so this will help remind you of your true intentions. Write 1 or 2 sentences summarizing your goals. You'll be sharing the summaries from this side of your worksheet when you fill out the Google Form application to become CK12 certified. Then do the same for the first 3 months and then the whole year. Remember to use your answers from the front side of the worksheet to help you summarize your goals. When you're done with this worksheet, I'd suggest that you pin it up next to your desk as a reminder of the goals that you've set. And I challenge all of you to pin it up and take a picture of it, post it on Twitter using the hashtag CK12 certified. Shout it out, inspire others. To wrap this up, the first of 3 parts of your on-demand closing session, we'll hear once again from Neeru, Executive Director and co-founder of CK12 Foundation.
Hello there, this is Neeru Khosla again. I want to thank you for working hard on this program. I know many of you are going to be certified at the end of this. I also want to thank Lindsay Kincaid and Katie Hammond for working so hard to bring you this program so many of you can actually learn a lot more about technology and integrate it into your classrooms. I hope you will do it. Also, I do want to do again a request for paying it forward, which is having and talking to your peers and having them use it. So again, thank you so much for being here. Hope this helped. Thank you.